In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize chats in Microsoft Teams effectively using features like pinning, filtering, and search. Whether you're a veteran user or just starting, keeping your team's environment tidy can greatly enhance productivity and streamline communication. So let's dive into these simple but powerful tools that can turn chat chaos into clarity. First, let's explore the pinning feature. Think of pinning as creating a shortlist of your most crucial conversations. To pin a chat, hover over the desired chat in your chat list. On the right, you'll see three dots, known as More Options. Click on these three dots and then select Pin from the drop-down menu. This action will instantly move the selected chat to the top of your list. By pinning important one-on-one or group chats, you ensure these vital conversations are always just a click away, saving you the hassle of endlessly scrolling through all your messages. Next, let's talk about filtering. Filters in Microsoft Teams allow you to see what matters most without getting distracted by everything else. To use this feature, navigate to the chat section, then look towards the top of the interface where you'll spot the filter icon. It looks like a funnel. Clicking on it will present you with options to filter your chats by unread messages or by name. This functionality is particularly useful when you return to work in the morning or after meetings and just want to catch up on what you've missed without sifting through every chat. Now, sometimes even pinning and filtering might not be enough, especially when you're trying to find a particular message or person quickly. Here comes the search bar to the rescue, located right at the top of your Teams window. Simply type in the name of the person or a keyword related to the conversation or message you're looking for. The search function scans through your entire chat history, allowing you to jump directly into the conversation. This method is much faster than scrolling through an endless list when you need to find something on the fly. By mastering these tools, pin, filter, and search, you can transform how you interact with Microsoft Teams, ensuring you have quick access to your most important contacts and conversations. Not only does this enhance personal efficiency, but it also reduces the time and effort spent navigating through clutter. So go ahead, try these tips and experience a more organized and productive Microsoft Teams environment. Keep your communication lines clear and precise, and make the most of the technology at your fingertips. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.